Welcome to my pottery series. In this series, I will be showing you how I create my first collection. This will be a 3-part series. This first part will kind of show you how I've been throwing, trimming, carving, painting, and really getting the pieces ready for a bisque fire. Enjoy the process, leave me comments, and let's get started. Thank you so much for watching the first part of this series. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the second part. And I will see you in my next video.